Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Marie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial or an unboxing with We Queen hair. So if this is something you guys are interested in, please stick around. Okay, so with this wig that I have right here from We Queen is a, I want to say 1B30, or how you say, yeah, 1B30. It's like a blonde wig. So yeah, I'm about to try it on and show you guys how it looks. So far in the box it comes with this net over the wig. It's like a little net over the wig. So this is the wig. And then we have some headbands. It's a lot of headbands. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 headbands, and they're all a bunch of different colors. I like that. That's cute. A bag for the wig. It says We Queen. Cap. And that is it. Okay. So let's try the wig on. So far I'm liking how it feels. It feels really nice. Can you guys see that? Yeah. That's good quality hair right there. Okay, let me see. So I already laid my edges down. Put my hair in a low bun in the back. So I'm going to use the cat face tint with the wig. Okay. The cap on. Leave my edges out. Okay. And I have my hair, what I like about headband wigs is that I can wear my hair in a ponytail and I don't have to braid it. So for those of you who don't know how to braid, this wig is going to be for you too, because you could just put your hair in a real low ponytail in the back. Oh, and the inside of the box it says affordable beginner friendly wigs. This is very true. Very, very true. That's cute. Okay, so let's get to it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So there's like these little clips right here, and there's some in the back too. And then for people who have like smaller heads, they have a extra little piece where you can like snip it on like together so that you can make it tighter if the headband part is too loose. So now I'm trying to find the clips and clip them on to my head. Okay, then get the headband part to snap. Okay, here's the headband part, here's the other headband part. Pull it in the back and snap it, and then pull it down some more in the back to secure the wig on. Okay, I like her. She cute. This wig is cute. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna name her. Okay, let me try headband. Since I have on gray, I should do gray. Nah, that's boring, huh? What about red? Now, what's gonna go? Yellow. Nah. Pink. No. I'm gonna go gray. Okay. So I'm gonna put the gray headband on over the black part. Oh, okay. I like this. So yeah, this wig it feels really like the hair feels really soft, like really soft. I like to comb my fingers through it, and the curl pattern is beautiful. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's cute. This will be 5 stars for me. This hair is by We Queen. I would highly recommend it, and especially if you're looking for a color wig. But if you like this video, if you like this unboxing video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.